Hello, my dear family members. If you are preparing for M3, Virtusa, or any on-campus or off-campus, then you must need to go through these type of logical reasoning questions, verbal ability questions, which will be very much helpful for your upcoming type. So please watch this video so that you can get a common behavior of exam in on campus or off campus. Okay, just before that, guys, if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please do subscribe this channel and watch the playlist regarding any component you want, and please help us. And we are just moving our channel from Tekno UF to Tekno UF, and this is our main channel. If you found this video helpful, then only subscribe these channels, otherwise you can skip. Okay, now let me start from the very beginning. That is actually, you can see this is the real M3 questions which has been captured in live exam, and this type of questions you can also face for logical reasoning, and I'll share some verbal ability questions for all of those like M3, Virtusa, or any other on campus or off campus. So just wait. Okay,
Hey, you ready for the future? Tekno UF is here with premium prep materials, no need to fear. Cognizant, Accenture, TCS, and more. We'll get you ready, open up that door.
so this is the first question, guys. So from triangle number series. Okay, missing number main chapters, and you can see the questions. I hope 2 7 17 37 x 157 and 317. What is the value of x? What's the missing number? Please give the answer, guys. I hope you have tried. Let me just give the answer. Every time when you are coming from 2 to 7, what's happening? Just you have to calculate that how this 7 is being valued. So 2 and 7, you can add plus 5. Okay, you can add plus 5. Then 7 to 17, you can add 10. 17 to 37, you can add 20. Then 37 to something, you can add something, right? So how it's happening, like 5, then double, then double. You can just add double number here as well, 20 and it's 40. So 40 and 37 should be 77. I hope you understood, right? And this is the one logic, and it worked, and we have just calculated as 77. This is the correct answer. But we can have another logic as well, like let's say 2, then if you just multiply, let me just delete those 2, and if you just multiply this by 2, then add 3, then you will get 7. 2 into 2 plus 3 7, then 7 into 2 plus 3, 7 into 2 is 14 plus 3 is 17, 17 into 2 plus 3 37. So you can add the same logic here as well. So multiple logics can work for same problem. Okay, I hope you understood. Now let me go to the next question from missing number itself. Now this is the next problem. It's a grid missing number problem. All type of missing number I'll show. Just watch this video till the end, guys. Okay, 4 6 25 5 7 37 8 9 x. What's the value of x? Guys, in the meantime, if you have not received the exam mail, please have patience. You will get the exam mail, or if you have not registered, then please register through the on-campus portals. Okay, and if you got the result, or if you got the exam link, or if you got the like exam announcement, then please comment down the exam date or probable exam date, or which companies you are preparing for. Please comment down. It's very much helpful for you, because I'm going to prepare the contents accordingly. Okay, now what's the value of x? That is, you can go with, whenever you see this type of missing number problem, you can go with the row wise, or you can go with column wise format. Okay, that is, at first just go with row wise first. How this 25 is coming? 4 plus 4 into 6 24, right? 4 into 6, it's 24, plus 1, it's 25. 5 into 7, that is 35, plus 2, that is 37. 8 into 9, that is 72. If we just add 3 here, so that will become 75. So this can be a probable answer, right? 75. You can directly tick on this, but you can go through another logics as well if you can. Okay, so let me go through another logic. That is this, actually the same logic. That is, you can see row 1, 4 into 6 plus 1, row 2, 5 into 7 plus 2. The same logic is used. Okay, so same way, 8 into 9 plus 3. I hope you understood. This is the next matrix missing number problem. This is the third type of missing number problem you can see in the exam. Now, example 1, just see these: 6, 8, 9, 46, 7, 5, 8, 51, 9, 7, 6, x. What's the correct answer? What's the value of x? Please give the answer in the comment section, guys. Okay, I hope you have tried. Now, let me configure it. Okay, see, at first the bottom right is equal to top left into bottom left minus top right. 6 into 9, that is 54, minus 8, that is 46. 7 into 8, that is 56, minus 5, that is 51. The same way, same logic will be working here as well. 6 into 9, 54, minus 7, 47, right? So 47 should be the correct answer. I hope you understood. Actually, all of these are real type of questions. These are the M3 and Virtusa recent and previous year questions. So you can go through these. It will be helpful for you only. Okay. So this is the next type of missing number problem: center number puzzle. Okay. Now calculate it and give me the answer. Okay, I hope you have tried. Let me show you the answer. At first, the logic you can apply here: center is equal to top into bottom, then add left into right. Center is equal to top into bottom, 3 into 5, 15, then add 4 into 2, that is 8. It's becoming 23. Same way, 7 into 3, that is 21, plus 2 into 6, that is 12, that is 33. Okay, 5 into 4, same way, 5 into 4 plus 8 into 3, what will be the answer? That is 20 and 24, 44, right? I hope you understood. Now let me go through the verbal ability questions which can be appeared in your case as well. Guys, before we move forward, I want you to have the best prime materials available in internet for Capgemini, Accenture, Cognizant, Deloitte, Virtusa, M3, or any other company you are preparing for. These are very much helpful because here you will get all the mock test for verbal ability, technical questions, coding questions, technical MCQ, aptitude questions for game-based aptitude, to dos. Also, you can play coding or coding mock test as well. So please go through that. It will be very much helpful. The link is provided in the description box or in the comment section. Just have it, guys. 6,000 plus candidates have already prepared and got success, so why not you? Please go through that. It will be very much helpful. So this is the first verbal ability questions, guys, and I am assuring you these type of questions will be asked to you only. Okay, choose the grammatically correct verb. Neither the project manager nor the developers dash ready to freeze the release without one more security test. Whenever you see neither nor, this type of subject verb agreements problem, what you have to check, just check which one subject is closer to dash. The dash is here, and this is the first subject, project manager. This is the second subject, developers, right? And this developers is closer to this dash, so that's why you have to just give importance to this subject. Is it plural or singular? If it is plural, then you have to choose the verb as plural. Okay, so is eliminated. You can go through the elimination methods while choosing the answers. Just choose like eliminate is, and as it is talking about present, so you can just ignore this was. And has been, it's also eliminated because it's a plural verb. Okay, so you can use are. I hope you understood. Now let me show you the animated answer for this one. And the same, the clue is subject, nearest subject controls the verb. Okay, nearest subject was developers, so you have to give importance to the developers part. Okay, and then you have to choose the correct verb for that. I hope you understood. Now the next question is this: arrange the sentence in coherent paragraph. This shift reduced deployment failures for by nearly 30%. The company first the company first mapped every manual release steps. As a result, the engineering team trusted the automated pipeline. D. It then replaced repetitive checks with automated scripts. BDSC, DBCA, ABDC, or BADC. Just apply your knowledge, guys, and give me the answer. Okay, I hope you have tried. Guys, whenever you see this type of problem, three things you have to remember. Three or four things. That is, what's the opening, what can be the opening phrase, what can be the action, what can be the result, and what can be the consequences. You can see the phrases from sentence B is first mapped steps. So this can be an opening phrase, opening paragraph, opening sentence, right? Now action is then replace checks. This was mentioned in D, and the result is this shift reduced failures. So this is the thing you have to know. Whenever you know the logic, you know the shortcuts, then you can easily assume the answer. Okay, opening, action, result, and consequence. So BDSE should be the correct answer, because in sentence B it's opening with starts fast, okay, and D it allows D because it has a it then, okay. Then sentence 3, I mean 3 is the sentence A where it was a result or consequence, you can say, in the C, okay. So that's why BDS is the correct answer. Now this is the last and next question. I'll show you one quiz question as well after this. So just wait. Okay, choose the word that best completes the sentence. The new authentication layer is designed to dash unauthorized access while keeping login friction low. Here actually the sentence is talking about prevention of something, prevention of access from something, right? So prevention of access, what does this means? Evoke, amplify, deter, endorse, you have to know that first, right? And the meaning of deter is discourage or prevent. Evoke is meaning bring out, amplify means increase. Now whatever is preventing, that is deter, that's the correct answer, right? I hope you understood. Now this is the last question, and this is the quick question for you. Please keep the answer in the comment section, guys. A firm says we will move large data backup jobs to late night, therefore daytime application speed will improve. Which assumption is unnecessary, sorry, necessary? Please keep the answer in the comment section, guys. And also, if you have not subscribed this channel yet, then please do subscribe this channel and watch the playlist regarding any further want, and let me know which content you want more. Again, I'm requesting you to go through the topmain.io/techno_uf. The link is provided in the description box or in the comment section. The prices are increasing. If you have no money, if you have lesser money, then also you can just DM me at my handle instagram.com/techno.uf. I'll try to assist you. And also, if you want all the materials at once, then please DM me. I'll give you a coupon code for preparing for all the companies. And believe me, guys, all the companies materials are updated in such a way so that I assure you that no one gives this type of facility feature in their placement materials. Why? Because we have premium materials, we give hiring drives, updates. You can give mock coding test, you can give mock aptitude verbal ability, mock interview, mock communication assessment. You can give, you can play the games as well for different companies. You can give you can have the to do's for hiring updates, etc, etc, for preparations. Everything you need to prepare for Virtusa, Capgemini, Accenture, M3, or any other company are available here. So please go through that. It will be very much helpful for your upcoming drives. Thanks.
Please subscribe to Tekno UF and don't forget to like and share with your friends.